Nowadays, almost everyone uses electronic gadgets everywhere, anything, anywhere in the world. So the digital gadgets without a person, nothing. So now every digital gadgets for every users. So that's the most inside all the devices. It's not a device itself. It's your data. You know your data is how valuable it is. So now let's imagine your laptop is not on and the laptop screen is problem and the terrible issues. They can even turn it on, nothing usable. And on the other hand, PCs, where PCs are in CPU, they are most prone to issues occurred in CPUs, SMPS adapters, and motherboards, and even processor also listed. So they can, so both are the problems occur. You can even turn it on. The system is gone and even not working and not even turned on. Here's the interesting part. Your internal hard drive is still alive. It can kept all the operating system data in both the laptop and the desktops. Data is still safe. It's just trapped inside and kept it all the data. But real world question, how to access this data? So this is a video for how to use the internal, both the laptop internal and the desktop internal hard drive used into a portable that converts your internal drives, both the hard disk and SSD drives, convert into your external portable drives. And instead of both the drives are stuck inside in your dead laptop, so you will get in use with it very easily. That is a HDD enclosures coming. So this is the product of HDD external case, which means enclosure. You can mount both the desktop HDD and laptop HDD. Build quality is pretty well. It's as well the matte finish design and moderate sleek, and this is a plastic enclosure, not steel, this is a plastic. It sounds, the HDD enclosure case is called the Sounce hard disk enclosure. So instead I kept in the hard drives, this means the desktop hard drives there. Okay, it's now, this contains a DC port. It supports up to I think 12 volt and USB 3.0 port supported, where USB 3.0 is generally speed than previous generation of USB ports, so it's okay. So now let's do a real world speed test. I am copying a large file into font to see actual read and write speed. Now let's do it. So now I am taking an example type of large files. This is an ISO files, which means that they are operating system files. So now I am checking the. This is an 8.37 gigabytes, which means 8.3 GB. So now I am copying it and paste it this hard drive. So now check it out for read and write real-time speed and consuming time. Control C. Let's paste it. So this is an file external connected hard drive. So open and Control V. Let's countdown starts. I want to convey the message, one important message for everybody. So if you are an expert, it's okay, it's fine. Handle the both desktop and laptops very well to disassemble and how to remove the get the hard drive into your PC or desktop. It's okay. Or if you are a beginner, I mean if you are a beginner or if you are trying as the first time, you must be careful and mind this very well. So before the HDD is the most sensitive, inside the HDD is the most sensible in mechanical moving parts, which means that they are prone to deformation and they are prone to susceptible to damage. If the hard disk, you must be need to very consider to handling and get the both disassembled in your PC or desktop very carefully. If you are left the careful manner, they are susceptible to damage and you may lose your data. So you need to mind it. And if the PC old desktop or old laptop is working very well, so you don't disturb unless they are repaired, or you need to recover your older files from older desktop or laptop. So